Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome. நான் தான் உங்க ஆதித்யா பேசுறேன். Greetings everybody. This is Aditya. I'm currently in Darmstadt, Germany, and I am doing my masters in the field of Aerospace Engineering at the Technical University of Darmstadt. So I've never really talked about myself in any of the videos, so this is going to be a first. So let's talk about my profile first. I did my bachelor's in the field of aeronautical engineering and I passed out in the year 2022. My CGPA is 8.55 and my IELTS score is 8. My German proficiency level is B1 and I have done a total of 4 internships. Moving on to Germany as an option. So when I decided that I was going to do my master's in the field of aerospace engineering, I started researching about countries and universities that offer them, and through social media and like various YouTubers like Bharat in Germany, Shraddha and Ankit in Germany, I came to know that Germany is a really good option for international students. And I also joined Bharat Chaudhary's complete course for studying in Germany, which covers everything that a student must know before coming here to study. Moving on to the application. Initially, I used the DAAD website to research about the various courses and the university. This website is like a complete database of all the courses that are being currently offered in Germany. So use that as a starting point when you want to do your studies in Germany. I decided to come for the summer intake, and for me there were 3 options. University of Bremen, which offered space engineering, Technical University of Munich, which offered aerospace engineering, and also Technical University of Darmstadt, which offers aerospace engineering. The application period for University of Bremen was from 1st August to 15th October, and they had their own portal called Moin portal where you had to apply and just upload all your documents. Next is the Technical University of Munich, which had its application period from the 1st of September till 15th of November. For TUM, you need this document called as VPD, which you must first apply and get through UniAssist. So once you have the VPD, go into TUM's portal and then apply and upload all your documents there, and then you're done. For Technical University of Darmstadt, the application period was from 1st of December to 15th of January. TUD had its own portal called Tucon, so once you apply and register there, you also had to physically send your documents via courier. Next comes the waiting period. So all the universities take at least 2 to 3 months after the deadline to give you a result. So in my case, TUM was the fastest. Like they replied within a month that I had to give an entrance exam. But the problem was that the exam only takes place offline in person in Munich. So that was in hold currently and I was waiting for the other results. Next comes the University of Bremen, which took almost 4 months from the date I applied to give me a result. So it was almost, I think, the mid of January when I got the news that I was selected for space engineering in University of Bremen. And then comes the Technical University of Darmstadt. They too replied within a month that I had to give an entrance exam. But luckily the entrance exam was offered online, so it took place on February 23rd, and on March 15 I got the news that I passed the entrance exam and also secured an admit. So the waiting period is definitely long, so it's always a great idea to either learn the German language or take up an internship. So this will allow you to use your time efficiently and also distract you from the fact that you're anxiously waiting for your results, so do that. Moving on to the next thing, Deutsch Lernen. Wenn Sie in Deutschland studieren wollen, dann ist es sehr wichtig, Deutsch zu lernen. Ich habe bis zum Niveau B1 gelernt und deshalb kann ich ein bisschen Deutsch verstehen und sprechen. Schon bei der Landung, bis man zu Hause ankommt oder wenn man einkaufen geht oder einen Bus nimmt, merkt man, dass die deutsche Sprache wirklich wichtig ist. Also lernen Sie unbedingt Deutsch, bevor Sie nach Deutschland kommen. Alright, moving on to the next one. It's giving me nightmares just thinking about it. So the story goes like this. Around 25 Indian students were found to have forged their documents when coming to Germany. So within a month, the German embassy decided that the APS certificate will be compulsory for all the students coming to Germany. This was already prevalent in China and Vietnam, and now it's being implemented in India. So this certificate basically verifies your bachelor's degree certificate, semester mark sheets, and also your 12th, 10th. APS India started applications from the month of October, and initially they said that it will take only like a month to process and give us the certificates. So I applied on November 6th. My documents reached the Delhi office on November 11th, and then November went, December went. On January 18th, I got a mail that my payment has been confirmed, and then I had to wait another month before on February 10th, finally I got a call asking about my bachelor's portal, credentials and stuff like that. And then finally, on February 16th, I got my APS certificate in hand. So if you're planning for studies in Germany, apply for APS right now. Okay, moving on to the next thing, the visa appointment. So as soon as I got my APS certificate, I waitlisted myself for visa appointment on February 16th. And then I was on the waiting list for close to 45 days. And then on March 28th, the slots were opened at PFS Chennai, and I was able to book an appointment for April 12th. So in the appointment, you just have to submit all your documents, sign in a few pages. So there's nothing much going on there. After my appointment, I had to wait almost close to a month. So on May 9th, I got an approval mail stating that I have to submit my passport for stamping. So the next day, that is May 10th, I went to the VFS office to submit my passport. And then finally on May 16th, I got my stamped visa. Moving on to the next part, the accommodation. Finding an accommodation is as hard or even sometimes more harder than securing an admit in Germany. So the first stop that I can suggest for you is registering yourself for the Studierend and Work. We are like an organization that provides housing for all the international students in Germany. But in Darmstadt, it so happened that there are currently 1,500 applicants in waiting list to get an accommodation. So they told it's like you have to wait for either 2 or 3 semesters to even get there. So the only option is either looking for private accommodation, which are like really costly, or look for houses and apartments outside, and that is what I did. So there are like various websites called WG Gesucht, WG Suche, Immobilien Scout. So you can start searching for ads, contact them, and if you're lucky, you'll get a reply. So I had to contact around 20 ads before I finally got this house. Alright, so moving to the final part, moving to Darmstadt. So I had booked my flight tickets via Gulf Air on May 19th and I reached here by May 20th. So I have been here ever since and I'm quite enjoying the life here. So it's a completely new atmosphere, but now I'm used to it completely. Okay, so now you can expect a lot of videos from my side, especially about my life as a student in Germany. But I will also be uploading a lot of travel vlogs because I love to travel and also document them. So definitely you can expect that. But my next 2 videos will be about whatever I pack. So it's like a packing tour / video, and also about my journey from Chennai to Frankfurt and then to Darmstadt. So stay tuned for that. And thanks a lot for watching this. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Nandri, Vanakkam, choose.